We've already built a blog website using Python, Flask, and Supabase. Now it's time to learn how to deploy it. If you haven't watched that video yet, don't worry, the link is in the description. Go check it out first so you're ready to follow along. All right, let's get started. Guess what? To deploy the website you built with Python, you only need two files. First, we need a requirements file. This file tells Vercel which Python packages to install when it runs our app. Without it, the server won't know what dependencies we're using, so our Flask app wouldn't even start. Next, we need a vercel.json file. This one is super important because it tells Vercel exactly how to build and run our app and how to route requests to the right place. Basically, it's the bridge between our Flask project and the Vercel platform. With these two files in place, our project is ready for deployment. Now let's deploy with Vercel. Log into Vercel. I'll leave the link in the description. Then add a new project. Since my GitHub account is already connected, I can see all my repositories here and choose the one we just created. But before deploying, we need to set up environment variables. When we built this blog with Supabase, we used API keys. In a previous video, I explained exactly how to get those keys. So if you're unsure, make sure to check that out. In this project, you'll notice something different. We're not using a .env file anymore. That's because keeping keys in .env is not secure for production. Instead, we'll define them as environment variables in Vercel. This way, our keys stay hidden and safe. I've copied the Supabase URL and key. Now make sure you've copied them correctly and that your variable names are exactly right. Once that's done, hit deploy. The deployment only takes a few seconds. After that, go to your Vercel dashboard and you'll find a unique URL for your project. Open it in the browser and boom, your Flask plus Supabase blog is live on the internet. Now anyone can visit your site, create blog posts, edit them, or delete the ones they don't want. You can publish as many blogs as you like and manage them all instantly. Try adding your first blog post right now. It's so satisfying to see your work live online. And that's it. Your Flask plus Supabase blog is successfully deployed with Vercel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out the other videos in the series. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.